Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Nagesh Arikar. This is my fourth video. It is a part of the study of the MBA. In this video, we are going to see what is meant by the operation management as well as how supply chain management works, what are the benefits of the supply chain, and what are the disadvantages of the poor supply chain management. Now we are starting with the what is the operation management. The operation management is is the administration of the business practices to create the highest level of the efficiency possible within an organization. So operation management is a concern with the converting material and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible. Yes, of course, so the operation management is the process of utilizing whatever resources we are having to convert it into the goods and services. Next one is what is the supply, how the operation managements are related to the various process. Yes, of course, the operation management related to scheduling is the most important part of any business. Maintenance, inventory management, supply chain management, design of goods and service, process capacity design, job design, and the human resources, layout of the design and strategy, location strategy. Yes, these all process are part of the operations management. Every process has its individual important while we are thinking about operation management. Now we are going to see a specific part of the operation management, that is the supply chain management, how it reacts or how it will going to have an impact into the operations management. What is meant by the supply chain management? The supply chain management is the management of the flow of the goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material into a final product. It involves the active streamlining of business supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantages in the marketplace. Yes, the best supply chain management will help any business to promote his product into the market, as well as they will the supply chain management will help us to get feedback from most of the customers, and it will help them to improve their services as well as the quality of the goods. Yeah, these are the benefits of the supply chain management. Now the eight benefits of the supply chain management, the are here below here. Now the product collaborations and the information flow is a prominent challenge for the companies. Yes, the better for a better collaboration, information flow is the most important thing, because while we are you we can use that informations, as I said earlier, to improve our services as well as the quality of the product, and it will also help to build a customer relationship. Next one is improved quality control. Yes, while we are means we tend to provide a supply better supply chain, it will help us to improve our quality control with a higher efficiency rate and keeping up with the demand. Yes, it will help us to know what is the demand of our product or what is the demand of any product into the market. By this we can sorry, we can means it will provide us a flexibility to decide what to produce and how to produce and where to produce. This is a part of a best supply chain management. Now shipping optimizations reduce overhead cost. Yes, of course, it is our business perspective will get fail if we are fail to reduce overhead costs, but by with the help of supply chain management we can reduce overhead cost, improve risk mitigation, improve cash flow for as I said earlier in my in financial account video for financial accounting, the cash is a playing a vital role for any businesses, and by this supply chain management best supply chain management, we can improve cash flow for any businesses. It will also gives a proper idea how to eliminate a risk. And these are the 8 benefits of the effective supply chain management. Now we are going to see what are the disadvantages of the supply chain management. All businesses need a system in place to help them succeed each day and thrive long term. For companies with a complex supply chains, a supply chain management provider can be beneficial system that simplifies the company's daily operations and takes stress off their administrative team. However, a poor supply chain management system can be costly in more ways. One of them, here are 3 examples of how super supply chain management can harm your business. The mismanaged implementations, inadequate training, one and done mentality. Yes, mismanagement implications. Changing supply chain management system takes a financial investment, time, and human resources. Of how supply chain management can harm any businesses. The mismanaged implementation. Changing a supply chain management system takes a financial investment, time, and human resources. If not implemented properly, there will be wasted labor, service, residency, and missed deadline that result in a significant cost. To avoid these unnecessary costs, high quality logistic provider always complain through analysis before implementing charges to the supply chain, ensures that they fully understand the client freight schedule, consolidate opportunities, and last mile logistic needs before developing and implementing a new system. It will help us to be a part of a good supply chain. The next one is inadequate training. The integrations a new system into a working supply chain is a complex, often require a restructuring and the team member training. The process must include a detailed planning and a clear meaningful communications, or it could result in a costly mistake and the excessive employees turnover. If searching for the logistic provider, always require about the training process and usability of their tools and the technology. And experienced providers should start with a clear defined onboarding or transaction process that can then be customized to fit unique team and timeline. The third disadvantage of the poor supply chain management is one and dead mentality. Short side a logistic provider focused or it is miss out of a consolidations opportunities and other ways to improve their client supply chain efficiency. The initial savings are realized, but the additional saving or growth opportunities get neglected. Companies that realize on their opportunities get neglected. The company that realize on the type of the provider will eventually false behaviors their competitors and may not even realize why. The industry leading logistic provider focus on the continual analysis. They are always looking for a new ways to reduce their client supply chain expenses or improves the frequency and the effectiveness. A company that can provide a quality supply chain management will have a good understanding of these example. The best supply chain, these are some example of best supply chain companies around the world. The Unilever, McDonald's, Inditex, Cisco, H&M, Intel. These are the best example of the supply chain. The companies who are having a best supply chain management worldwide. Now, in this video, we have been seeing what is the operational management, what are the how resources are being used, as well as what is meant by the supply chain management. If you have any query, please write me into the comment. I will definitely help you. Thanks for today. Thank you.